Hi and welcome back to Cortec. Today we're going to see who's going to walk away with this mouse from Corsair. Last week I announced the giveaway of the Corsair Glaive RGB Pro. I asked you one simple question: which score did the mouse get in its recent review? Most of you guys knew that the correct answer was 8 out of 10. Let's use the random comment picker and find out who the winner is. Let's start the raffle. The winner is Matti Junior. His answer is the Glaive got 8 out of 10, which is correct. I'm going to leave a comment on your comment, Matti Junior, and we'll find out how I'll ship it to you. That's all for today, but be sure to tune in next week for more product reviews. Until then, comment, like and subscribe, and hit that bell.